Good morning, Mark Soderberg with ADM Investor Services with your morning ag outlook for Thursday, September 26th. Prices saw some two-sided trade overnight, turning firmer now. Corn is a laggard, which is now steady to mix. Call it half higher to half lower. Bean prices are the upside leader, up 10 to 12 cents, making new session highs. Both products are higher, meal up $3 to $4, while bean oil prices are up about 50 to 60 points. And wheat is also higher across all three classes, near session highs up 7 to 8 cents. Additional stimulus measures by the Chinese government to prop up their economy is providing, I think, the stimulus for the overnight boost. Yesterday, large speculative traders were net buyers across the agricultural space as they continue to lighten up on their short holdings here. There has been some talk of increased Chinese interest in new crop or in U.S. soybeans in recent days ahead of next week's Golden Week holiday. We'll see if we get any announcements here at the 8 o'clock hour. We'll also get weekly export sales here a little bit later this morning. We saw our first reported corn sale in almost 2 weeks yesterday, with Mexico buying about 180,000 tons of U.S. corn. U.S. lawmakers are also urging the Biden-Harris administration to step in if necessary to avert a port worker strike along the east and Gulf Coast, just in front of the glut of U.S. harvest. Hurricane Helene is expected to slam into the Florida's Gulf Coast this evening, just south of Tallahassee, as a Category 3 storm. Sustained winds are likely to exceed 100 miles an hour, will cause extensive property and crop damage. Heavy rains in some areas in excess of over a foot will spread across the southeast, causing localized flooding. 2 to 3 inch rains are expected to spread as far north as southeast Missouri and into southern Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio. Little to no rain for the northwestern half of the Midwest and the Plains states really for the next week, as harvest should be able to accelerate in these areas. In South America, rains continue to favor the southern portions of Brazil, with really no more than scattered rains in the driest regions in the central part of the country into the first full week of October. Longer range forecasts continue to suggest better prospects for rain by mid-October. However, it seems that these rain events are not being pulled forward with the passage of time. While early planting progress will be slow, we really have to get into the late October, early November timeframe before it starts to threaten production. Leading into the upcoming growing season in Argentina, we're already seeing a very wide range of production forecasts in feed grains in particular. Corn right now, the exchanges down there have production pegged somewhere between 47 and 52 million metric tons, with the USDA at 51 million metric tons. I also saw a lower production estimate in Russia here overnight from ICAR. They lowered their wheat production estimate very slightly to 81.8 million metric tons. That's below the USDA forecast of 83. World wheat prices should continue to be pretty well supported here as tightening global supplies among global exporters. USDA will update the domestic production here in the U.S. On Monday, along with September 1 stocks. November beans are getting closer to reaching an upside target here. 100-day moving average comes in at 1082 at almost 1065 here at the moment. D's corn right now is struggling to take out this week's high at 418, but I think it ultimately will, with an initial upside target of 435. 100-day resistance, 100-day moving average resistance here rests at about 431. And in wheat, Chicago D's, that's quickly approaching its September high too, which is just below $6 at 599. Target there 610. That's its 100-day moving average. So thank you for listening, everyone. I hope you have a wonderful day.